Hello everyone and welcome back to Next Lux Reviews, the channel where we explore the world's most luxurious and futuristic vehicles. Today I have something truly jaw-dropping for you. The brand new Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2027 finished in a breathtaking red vine color. This motorhome isn't just transportation. It's a lifestyle statement, a moving five-star hotel, and a futuristic glimpse of what luxury travel will look like in the coming decade. Now close your eyes for a second and imagine this. You're parked by the ocean. The morning sun is pouring through giant panoramic windows, and your luxury motorhome, painted in a deep, glossy red vine shade, glistens like a jewel against the horizon. You step into your kitchen, make yourself a fresh cup of coffee, and relax on leather seating that feels better than most luxury apartments. That's the promise of the Rolls-Royce Red Vine Motorhome 2027, and today we'll explore it from every angle. Exterior, interior, design, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, technology, and driving experience. Let's get started. The very first thing that will strike you about the Rolls-Royce Motorhome 2027 is its sheer presence. Rolls-Royce is known for timeless elegance, and they've translated that same philosophy into this motorhome. The entire body has been sculpted with flowing curves and aerodynamic precision. The red vine color finish makes it stand out immediately. A deep, luxurious shade of red that shines like liquid glass under the light. This isn't just paint, it's a statement. The iconic Rolls-Royce grille dominates the front fascia, wide and bold, framed in chrome with the Spirit of Ecstasy emblem sitting proudly above. This instantly lets you know you're not looking at any motorhome. You're looking at a Rolls-Royce. The headlights are ultra-slim and futuristic, stretching across the front like sharp eyes. They're full LED matrix lights, designed not only for visibility but also for drama. At night, their light signature is unmistakable, elegant, modern, and powerful. From the side profile, the motorhome blends sophistication with modern muscle. The roofline has a smooth curve, giving it a dynamic silhouette even though it's large. The panoramic tinted windows run seamlessly along the side, almost resembling the window design of a private jet. The red vine color looks especially stunning in natural daylight, where the metallic flakes in the paint shimmer subtly. Chrome accents trace along the windows and doors, adding contrast and detail without being flashy. At the rear, Rolls-Royce continues its philosophy of minimal elegance. The taillights stretch in a single glowing strip across the back, framed by subtle chrome. The rear shape isn't boxy like traditional RVs, it's slightly curved, making the entire vehicle look more like a super yacht on wheels. Of course, there's also a rear garage compartment, spacious enough to fit bicycles, luggage, or even a compact electric scooter. Practicality meets design here. This masterpiece sits on massive 22-inch alloy wheels, diamond cut for shine and strength. The wheel design is distinctly Rolls-Royce, polished, elegant, but strong enough to carry a motorhome of this scale. From the outside, when you combine the red vine body color, the iconic grille, the panoramic windows, and the giant alloy wheels, the result is simply breathtaking. It looks less like a motorhome and more like a moving palace. Now let's open those Rolls-Royce doors and step inside. The moment you enter, you're surrounded by a calm, luxurious atmosphere that feels more like a penthouse suite than a vehicle. The doors open with soft close automation, and inside you're greeted by Rolls-Royce's signature attention to detail. Ambient LED lighting glows subtly along the ceiling and floor edges. The flooring itself is finished in rich dark oak wood panels, matte polished for elegance and durability. Every surface is soft touch. Every finish feels premium, and the red vine color theme is carried inside as subtle accents, stitched into the leather and embedded into small trim details. The lounge is absolutely spectacular. Rolls-Royce has equipped it with wide, plush Italian leather sofas that recline at the touch of a button. They're upholstered in cream leather with red vine stitching details, a subtle reminder of the vehicle's exterior shade. The panoramic windows flood the lounge with natural light, giving you breathtaking views wherever you're parked. At night, you can close the automatic blinds for complete privacy. For entertainment, there's a pop-up OLED smart TV hidden in the cabinet, paired with a bespoke Rolls-Royce surround sound system, tuned for clarity and depth. Whether it's movie night or just background music, the experience feels immersive. Step into the kitchen, and you'll realize Rolls-Royce isn't about compromise. This is a full-sized luxury kitchen designed for real cooking, not just reheating meals. The countertops are polished marble, cool to the touch and scratch-resistant. You get a full induction cooktop, a smart oven, a large refrigerator, and even a hidden dishwasher. Yes, in a motorhome. The cabinetry is soft close with underlit LED strips, and the design is sleek enough to rival high-end apartments. Cooking here doesn't feel like RV cooking. It feels like fine dining prep. When it's time to rest, the master bedroom feels like stepping into a high-end hotel suite. At the center is a queen-sized memory foam bed, finished with silk bedding and Rolls-Royce branded pillows. Above it, you'll find a panoramic skylight, perfect for stargazing or enjoying natural morning light. Built-in closets line the sides, offering ample storage for clothing and luggage. There's also a small vanity desk that doubles as a workspace. Rolls-Royce has added soundproofing to the room, so no matter where you are, peace and quiet are guaranteed. The bathroom is another Rolls-Royce masterpiece. You'll find a glass-enclosed standing shower with a rainfall head, a modern sink with touch-activated faucets, and a smart mirror with built-in lighting and defogging. The toilet is compact but high-tech, with automatic flushing and eco-friendly water systems. Heated flooring adds comfort, especially during cold mornings. This isn't just a motorhome bathroom, it's a wellness spa in miniature. Being a Rolls-Royce, the 2027 motorhome is packed with futuristic technology. The cockpit has dual digital displays for driver and co-driver, showing everything from navigation to AI driving assistance. The navigation system is RV-specific, helping you avoid restricted routes and low-clearance bridges. There's adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and AI-powered long-distance driving support. Inside, you can control lighting, temperature, and entertainment via voice commands or touch panels. Solar panels on the roof add eco-charging, while the hybrid engine ensures both performance and efficiency. Despite being luxurious, Rolls-Royce hasn't forgotten practicality. Storage is everywhere, under the bed, inside overhead cabinets, and in hidden compartments built seamlessly into the design. The rear garage offers large utility space, making it easy to carry bikes, gear, or even a small scooter. Finally, let's talk about driving. Behind the wheel, the Rolls-Royce Red Vine Motorhome 2027 feels powerful, stable, and unbelievably smooth. The suspension system is tuned to perfection, absorbing bumps and keeping the ride calm even on rougher roads. The hybrid engine gives it strong torque for highways while staying fuel efficient. And, like every Rolls-Royce, it's whisper quiet. You glide rather than drive. So, what do you think of the Rolls-Royce Red Vine Motorhome 2027? From the moment you see it in that rich red vine color, you know it's special. From the grille to the taillights, from the luxurious lounge to the spa-like bathroom, every detail screams Rolls-Royce luxury. This isn't just a way to travel. It's a lifestyle on wheels. For those who want freedom without giving up comfort, the Red Vine Motorhome 2027 is the ultimate dream machine. Thank you so much for joining me today on Next Lux Reviews. If you enjoyed this review, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next luxury deep dive. Until next time, stay inspired, stay curious, and always travel in luxury.